Hello buddies, still with me, Mr. Mulyadi. Okay, we're gonna draw this girl, yeah? Before that, please subscribe, okay, and share. And I hold doodle, charcoal, yeah, for drawing. And this is eraser as usual for something wrong like that, okay? And then you already know the use of the charcoal. If you don't have, you can use pencil only. And this is doodle to smudging the detail, the small shadow, okay? For the big shadow, later you can smudging with your hand or the tissue. Let's start. First, we draw the eyes as usual. If you practice very often, you can draw without example that like what I did, yeah? Or you can combine some from anime face to be realistic face, okay? To get the figure of the eyes, face and mouth. And see, I draw for the bull eyes. Don't forget to leave the shiny part, the light spot on the eyes, okay? Yeah, now the eyes full I make. Okay, yeah, and then the eyelash method, you can do the pressing of the tone of the pencil, press up, press up, press up, like that, and the short line like that. And this is the eyebrow. Actually, I already know the character of the eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrow. Because of what? Because I already draw many times of many kind of the face. And then this is the other one, and I hope you can do also if you practice, okay? Yeah, if you have any comment or idea, just tell me. Just comment in the comment space. And this is the other eyes. Actually, I realize I make the other eyes bigger than other sometime like that in this video because I don't have time for the finishing touch. Okay, but it's okay. For you, you have time to finishing touch. You can fix it better, yeah? Yeah, this is the eyebrow. Eyebrow I make with the short line, or just do it the shadow for the modern eyebrow. For the classic eyebrow, you can do short line. And this is nose. The easy nose how to draw is you can start from the center of that, like letter V, and then moving to the side. Okay? Yeah. Don't forget, yeah, to subscribe and share my channel because of what? This is useful for everybody. Everybody can learn from this video. Yeah, the mouth start from small letter V, and then the sideline, and then the middle mouth. See, don't forget to shape the curve on the middle mouth. Okay, it look natural. Okay, the lip now. Yeah, this already done. Okay, this is good. I hope you also draw with me. We learn together, we growing together, okay? Yeah, and then I try to smudging now. I use the finger only because this shadow is not really detailed. Later for the detailed shadow I use doodle, okay? Yeah, my finger still dancing on the paper. The nose area now. Be careful, yeah, when you smudging. Don't rub. Just short rubbing like that, okay? Yeah. and I start to blend with the tussle. Okay, I think this is enough for my tutorial, and for the other one you continue by yourself, okay, by following my drawing. I hope you like it. Success for you.